Hi everyone, in this lecture I'm going to talk about a very simple problem, but it's very important to take up this problem for strengthening your concept of recursion. Okay, so we will understand the concept of going towards the base case and coming back from the base case through this example. So you can also try this problem on your own before we dive into the code. So the question is very simple. We just need to simulate the same functionality as of a for loop using this particular problem. So we have to print all the numbers 1 to n recursively in decreasing order and in increasing order. So we need to write two methods. One, let's say if n is, let's say 5, the first method should print 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, the second method, that is for the increasing one. And the second method, if n is 5, it should print the output like 5 4 3 2 1, that is the decreasing one. Okay, now let's see how we can actually do it. So let's say we have a method decreasing which prints the numbers in the decreasing order. Okay, so what we discussed was we will take one step and the rest of the steps will be taken by the recursion. So what I can do in this decreasing method, I can say, okay, I know the value of n, I will first print the value of n. Okay, and then I will call the method decreasing of n minus 1. That will automatically print all the numbers from n minus 1 till 1. Okay, and in the base case we can have a case that, okay, if we are reducing and if we reach a point when the number is 0, we can return. Okay, so let us see what is going to happen. If let's say n is 5, this is for the recursive case, and for the base case I can check if n is 0, we can return, we don't do anything. Okay, or you could have also have another case like if n is 1, print 1 and then return, that is also fine. Both either of these cases would work. So I can start from, let's say, n equal to 5. What I will do, I will print n, I will print 5, I will make a call on n equal to 4, I'll print 4, I'll make a call on n equal to 3, I will print 3, I will make a call on n equal to 2, I'll print 2, I will make a call on n equal to 1, I will print 1, I will make a call on n equal to 0. I will say return, it will say return, it will say return, it will say return, it will say return. So finally, what I got in the output is nothing but 5 4 3 2 1. That's how easy it is going to be. Okay, for the increasing order, what we need to do, we need to do the work in this direction. So I will tell you what changes we would make. So let us first write the function for decreasing. So I can say void decreasing int n. So we have a base case. If n is 0, we will stop, that is return, and otherwise I can say, okay, see out the value of n and followed by a function called to decreasing of n minus 1. That's it. So any statements that are written before the function call, okay, so these are executed when you're going towards the base case. Okay, when you're going towards the base case, so anything that is coming before the function call will be executed when you're going towards the base case. Now let me also run this code and show it to you. Dot slash increasing decreasing, and I think we should take input the value of n, and then we should call this function. Let's say n is 5, I get the output as 5 4 3 2 1. Now I also want to make a similar function for increasing part. The good thing is there would be only one line of change, that is you will change the order in which this statement is executed. So if I put this statement here, and just to make it more clear, I am going to rename the function as increasing, and you will see this is going to work perfectly fine, and we will see why it is going to work. Okay, so let us try to think what this function is going to do. So let me call decreasing and maybe then endl, and let me call as increasing function as well. So if I say, okay, 5, so I get the numbers in the decreasing order, I get the numbers in the increasing order as well. Let us try to see what this function is saying. So it is saying if you want to print the numbers in the increasing order from 1 to n, you will first print all the numbers in the increasing order from 1 to n minus 1. Okay, and then you will print the number n. So this is the work that is done by recursion, and this is the work that is done by you. In the previous code, what you said, you will first print the number n and then you will print the numbers from n minus 1 till 1 in the decreasing order. Okay. Now you might be surprised how this single swapping of one line of code actually changed the order in which the output is coming. So effectively, what is happening is both the functions will have a same call stack. So first of all, you have main, then you call the function with, let's say, n equal to 5. Okay, so decreasing function first prints the value, so it prints 5. It makes a call on n equal to 4. Then it prints 4. It makes a call on n equal to 3. Then it makes a call to n equal to 2. Then it makes a call to n equal to 1, and then it makes a call to n equal to 0. So the same calls are being made by the increasing function as well. Okay, so if you pass in n, it makes a call to 5, then it makes a call to 4, then it makes a call to 3, to 1. Okay, but the change is it is printing the statement after the call has been executed. Okay, so after we have returned from the base case, it is going to print 1. After we have returned from 1, it is going to print 2, then it is going to print 3, then it is going to print 4, then it is going to print 5, and that's it. Okay, so this output is generated by the increasing function, and this output 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, it is generated by the decreasing function. So here, anything that is written before the function call is executed while going towards the base case, that is from the top to the bottom. Okay, so I'm calling bottom as the base case. Okay, and when you're coming from the bottom towards the main thing, that is top. Okay, so this is top is n and base case is 0. So top is n, base case is 0. So when you're coming from a smaller problem towards the bigger problem, then that code is written after the function call. Okay, so that is something you should always remember, and it is going to help you a lot while solving recursion problems. So when you need sub problem solutions to be solved first and then combined, then you would be doing this work after your function call. Okay, so I hope these two concepts are now clear, and that's all for this lecture.